Hi everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, gagawa po tayo ng kilay tutorial. Tuturuan ko po kayo kung paano po yung tamang pagkilay at kung paano po ito magmumukhang natural. So excited ka na ba? Dahil ako excited na, so wag na po natin itong patagalin pa, simulan na natin. First, get your brush and comb your eyebrows in upward direction. If there are hair needs to be cut, then cut it using a scissor or any of your choice. Next, get a brush and dip it to your eyebrows product. Apply it by simply putting the product in the lower line of your eyebrows. And then, put it on the upper line of your eyebrows. If you want it to look natural, then just follow your real eyebrows. After that, fill in the inner part of your eyebrows. And then brush it to remove the excess products. And then put again a product to the thin part of your eyebrows. Again, brush it. Next thing to do is to get a concealer. And also your flat brush. To clean the edges of your eyebrows, put some concealer on your brush and then apply it slowly to the lower line of your eyebrows. You can use your finger to clean up the concealer. After the lower line, put some at the upper line of your eyebrows. Get a sponge and then clean the excess concealer. Get a small amount of concealer and then apply it to the edge of your eyebrows near to your nose to create a very natural eyebrows. Ta-da! So this is my kilay. I hope that you learned from this video. So kung gusto nyo lamang po ma-achieve itong kilay na ito, just follow the steps that I have given to you a while ago. Ayan. Sabi nga nila, kilay is life. Kaya dapat maganda ang ating kilay everyday. Everyday, kilay is on fleek. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and to like this video. And also, don't forget to comment down below to suggest a video that you want to see in my YouTube channel. So see you next time. Bye! Thank you!